Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can create a Google account. So you want to create a Google account to use the Google services provided by Google like YouTube, Play Games, etc. But you can't figure out how you can create a Google account. You've clicked on the right video. In today's video I'll show you exactly how you can create a new Google account for yourself. Now in order to create a Google account, what you want to do is open a browser and go to google.com. Once you go to google.com, you'll see an interface like this. Here on the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled as sign in. Click on that button. Once you click on that button, you'll land on the Google sign in interface. This is where you sign in your Google account from. But to create a Google account, you'll need to press on the option labeled as create an account. Now you need to choose why you're creating your Google account. Is it for yourself, or for your children, or to manage a business? So choose the appropriate option for you. Once you choose the option, you land on an interface like this. This is an e-form by Google to create your Google account. What you need to do here is enter your details to create your Google account. So enter your name, create a username for your Google account, and create a password for your Google account. Once you enter your name, create an email address for your Google account, and create a password for your account, click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, Google will ask you to verify your phone number. So to verify your phone number, enter your phone number. Once you enter your phone number, click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, Google will send a verification code to your mobile number. So enter that verification code. Once you enter the verification code, click on the verify button. Once you click on the verify button, you land on an interface like this. Here what you can do is add a recovery email for your Google account. Then add your date of birth and your gender. Once you enter a date of birth, gender, and a recovery account, which is optional, scroll down and click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, Google will ask you if you want to receive video calls and messages on your phone number, or you want to use other Google services. If you want to do that, click on the yes button or click on the skip button. Once you do that, you'll land on an interface like this. This is the privacy and term interface of Google. So go through the terms and conditions of Google. Once you go through all the terms and conditions of Google, scroll down and click on the I agree button. Once you click on the I agree button, you will successfully create a new Google account for yourself. Now you can enjoy using the Google services you wanted to use. So that will wait for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.